Hello guys, my name is Gavin, and this will be a simple tutorial on how to make an object in the game follow the mouse around, or essentially set the position of the object to the mouse's position. I will be using some Python, and I'm just going to get started. To start off, I'm going to double click the A button and hit X delete, and then I'm going to go from defaults to game logic and go from Blender render to Blender game. Hit the spacebar key and add a plane right here, and hit S and 5 like this. Alright. Let's then do spacebar and then add a torus, like that. And on this torus, I'm going to give it a color, like this. The color is now going to be blue. And I'm going to right click on the background plane, add a color, and let's have this color be, like turquoise or something. Alright, now that we got those in, what I'm going to do now is actually right click back on our torus and add a sensor always, and click these first three dots and add a sensor, and let's do mouse. I'm going to rename this to mouse lowercase and do left button and then mouse over any. Minimize this, then add a controller in Python right here and connect it. Let's then drag this out and let's do templates Python and then game logic simple. To add a script, delete the portion that I've highlighted right here, drag this out just a little bit more. I'm going to rename this to script.py, like that. Alright, now what we want to do first is we want to actually be able to see the mouse within our game. So at the top of our script, let's do from BGE imports render, and render dot show mouse and then 1, like that. So if we hit P to play, we should be able to see the mouse like this. Alright, inside of our main function though, let's define the mouse sensor. So let's do mouse is going to equal content sensors mouse, like that. And what we're going to do after that is have if our mouse is hovering over an object, so if mouse.positive, what we're going to do is have own.world position is going to equal mouse.hit position. So I'm actually going to go down here and print the mouse hit position. Mouse.hit position. I'm going to drag this in like that. And you should see that when I hit play, the mouse is going to follow the object, and in the console it's going to print the position of the mouse inside the game engine, or inside the console. You can see that it kind of slows down a bit once you're outside. That's because it doesn't have any coordinates to tell where it is. Alright guys, so that's how you do a simple mouse following an object.